Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a gorgeous 2023 280 SLX by Sea Ray. We have Sea Ray blue with a white gel stripe, a white hull. Way up above my head is the power tower. That tower will articulate down, stay level with a switch of a button up on the dashboard. There's another switch in the transom I'll show you when we get there. As I move back to the aft, you can see we have these large trim tabs. This is the dynamic running surface. These are automatic trim tabs. The boat will automatically level itself and plane off and help you run the boat. We have sea deck up on the swim platform. As I move around, we're powered with a 300 horsepower 6.2 Bravo 3 hydraulic swim platform. This also hydraulically comes down underneath the water and comes back up. Our stainless steel boarding ladder. The sea deck on the swim platform. Okay, we've moved up on the swim platform of this 280. We have a dune interior. As I mentioned, sea deck underneath my feet. This is a new pattern for 2023. The 280 is unique with speakers that face aft. There's a tubing tow port down below. Of course, a walk-through transom on the right side. This cushion lifts all the way up front. There's some storage here from rods or lines, and it gives you access to the engine on the back. This storage actually goes all the way down and farther forward. It's pretty deep. It gives you a lot of good access. On the sun pad, we have these loungers that come up and ratchet in all different positions. There's a charge port on the port side for inflating rafts, tubes. There's storage cooler on the pass-through. We have a freshwater shower on the transom. There's a stereo control and switches for the swim platform and the tower right here on the right as well. Okay, we've moved up on the bow now. Lots of ample space. You can see the Sea Ray cross-stitching with fabric going there. It looks very, very nice. We have speakers. We have fold-down armrests. On the starboard side, this hatch lifts up, as does this. It's very, very deep storage, goes down underneath the helm. Everything's gas assisted, finished on the back side, very, very clean. Our stainless steel handles were wrapped in fabric as well, very comforting. There's charge ports up by the speakers, everybody needs to charge their cell phones. This boat was also ordered in with a stainless steel anchor with a power windlass. We can control this from up on the helm as well on the sim rack. Of course, that latches. Okay, we've moved to the middle of the boat, right by our windshield. Of course, stainless steel windshield that folds over and latches. We have a small glove box compartment up here on the port side for the passenger. Handles, of course, lights, speakers again. The head compartment on the port side. You can see there's sea deck on the inside. There's a shelf in there. That is a vacuum flush head. That is an option for this boat. As I move over here on the helm, we have dual Simrad screens, our Fusion stereo system with an amplifier and subwoofer, our tilt steering wheel, all of our switches, dynamic running lights, interior lights, accent lights, underwater lights. Our dynamic running control is right over here on the right. Of course, our digital throttle and shift Mercury control. This is brand new for 2023. It is standard with active trim. The motor hatch lift and windlass controls are down on the right-hand side. The helm seat is a his and her captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. This also slides back and forth. This is an absolutely gorgeous 2023 280 SLX. It is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down. I'd love to show it to you. Thank you.